You want the best for your car? You already watch our tutorials.
So the best place for the best deal is to buy from the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
You will find the bulk control arms used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. Turn the engine off and pull up the handbrake. Loosen the stud bolts on the front wheels. Lift the front of the vehicle. Place the vehicle on the axle stands. We strongly suggest watching the tutorial, raising your vehicle safely before carrying out this step. You must remove the wheels in order to change the control arms on your vehicle. This will give you full access to the suspension system. Don't forget to slide the wheels under the vehicle. Start by brushing the ball joint retaining nut on the control arm, then spray it with degreaser. Using an 18mm spanner, unscrew the control arm ball joint retaining nut. You can now pry the ball joint from the control arm using a large screwdriver or a crowbar. Unscrew the screw holding the front silent block of the control arm using a socket wrench and an 18mm socket. Finish unscrewing by hand. To remove the control arm, you need to apply some penetrating oil to the rear silent block. Then use the crowbar to move the front silent block aside. Pull on the control arm to disengage the control arm rod from the rear silent block.
All parts used in this tutorial are supplied by our trusted partners. These partners also help us create as many video tutorials as possible. Check them out in the description below.
You will find the bulk, parts and products used in the video on the Mr. Auto site and in the link in the description. Take the new control arm. Start by brushing, then greasing the location of the control arm to facilitate the installation. Don't hesitate to lubricate the rod of the new control arm to make it easier to insert it into the silent block. Insert the control arm by first inserting the rod into the silent block and then sliding it into place. Put the front silent block screw back in place and roughly screw it back on. Once in place, insert the control arm's ball joint into the stub axle. Put the ball joint of the control arms in place, then screw the nut back on. Finish off the tightening with a torque wrench. It is now time to lift the control arms at the ball joint level using a jack. The silent block on the engine bedside must be tightened in the vehicle in the ground position to keep it in good condition. Then you will be able to put the wheels back on your vehicle. Put your car back on the ground and block the wheels securely. During this operation, you will be working on the front axle of your car, so it is advisable to perform a parallelism afterwards. Operation completed.
Hi, it's Theo from Usetool. I hope this video has helped you a lot in your car maintenance. We would be super grateful if you could spread the word so that we can produce even more tutorials. Simply give us a like, a comment, and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us boost the channel and help the whole community. Thanks a lot and have a great one.